Systeme.io released a exciting new feature today, which is called pipelines, and we're going to just take a quick look at that. So on the left, I've got system, and on the right, I've got my website, okcomputer.foo, with a funnel, which asks for a first name and an email. And if we take a look over here on the left, I've got pipelines pulled up, and I've created a pipeline. Let me click edit. And the pipeline, I've given the name of opportunities, and we've got different stages. These are the default stages here, and you can either delete them or add to them. If we want to add to them, I just click the plus button and wrap up stage, something like that. So you can have different stages. You can also move them around by grabbing these little handles here. And so I'm going to delete that stage. I actually don't want that. I just wanted to show you that you can name the pipeline, you can create or edit these stages, and then hit save when you're done. And what you have here is the kind of traditional, left to right mode where you can drag. These are some tests I've done here. So if I wanted to move one over to deal one, you just drag it over. So the way this can work is if we go to automations, I have some rules here. And so one rule I have is called funnel. What takes this funnel here on the right, when somebody puts in their first name, Trevor, and then we'll say T Smith at testing123.com. Now, when somebody fills out this funnel and they click on get on the list, I have an automation over here in system that says, okay, when it's the OK Computer funnel and they're on the landing page and they fill that out, tag them with launch bizcourse-leads, which is a tag that I've created. So now what I can do is I can actually add a second action. And at the bottom here, you see it says, let's say it says add to a pipeline stage. So if I click on that, now I can choose a pipeline stage, and I can choose any of these that I want, but I'm going to choose new leads. That makes the most sense here. So now I click save rule. And now if we go back to our pipeline and let's fill out, so I filled out this form, let's click on get on the list. And that added the contact, and it should have tagged the contact. And now I believe I need to refresh this page. And there we go, Trevor right there. So we have that person's information. And then as we nurture this contact and move them through our process, we can, drag it over to maybe we're in the negotiation phase, that kind of thing. So we can basically keep track of these contacts here. Now, I think you could probably build out the automations and workflows a little bit more so that perhaps they even move from stage to stage by themselves through automations. I haven't really explored that yet, but at any rate, just the idea that there's a pipeline is pretty powerful. And I'm hoping that since it's called pipelines, plural, that we'll be able to have more than one pipeline in the future, maybe based on per funnel, that kind of thing. So that would be handy. So it's a new feature just released today, and I'm going to explore it some more, but I wanted to get a quick video out just covering this topic because it's a nice new addition to Systeme.io. So let me know if you're using this new pipeline feature and how it's working for you. I'd be curious to hear, so just leave a comment below. All right, thanks for watching.